What up? I'm out and about. I'm in Nagoya. I'm gonna go. Where am I going? Yeah, I'm going to meet up with some guys in Karumachi. It's on the Sakura Dori line. They wanted to meet up and do some filming. So yeah, they said they like some of my videos. Actually, I have people that like my videos. Crazy. Yeah, so I'm gonna go do that today. Then later hang out with Shane again, because I'm staying by him this weekend for Obon. So yeah, you're gonna see some crazy-ish coming up. I don't have my computer to upload today, so that's what I'll be doing. So yeah, we also yesterday we did some filming recently with Victor and them, so got some nice stuff coming up. So yeah, that's what we do. Alright, so we're here at the Kenchuji temple. Yeah, so I'm here with the person who's actually running the temple right now, Fred.
Yes, I took control, Kenneth Weidler.
Yes, he did. A Gaijin is running a temple. That's amazing. That's amazing stuff there. Groundbreaking history.
Yes, you know, so the foreigner guy, you know, came out. He was out in the wilderness, and the temple swept me up here. They are. Here's the main right here.
Sweet.
So I teach in Kenchuji kindergarten, and I teach in Aoi preschool over there. So I'm the English teacher, only one me. Same as Ken Weidler. So we're about to go back into the house. So a little fish feeding today. Let's do this.
Also, there's a festival later here.
Yep.
Sweet.
So welcome to Kenchuji Temple.
Thank you, man.
Kenneth Weidler will be wilding out. Make sure everyone has a good time.
Yeah, exclusive tour. Oh yeah.
So we will bring you into the guts of the temple. There's areas that people can't just go into when they just come to visit you. So I'll take you into the guts, and we'll see you on YouTube.
Okay, bro. Oh, hello. So pretty. Kawaii, yo. Temple. This is beautiful, man.
Thank you. This is what I'm here almost every day. I come here, I teach. It's peaceful. This is the real Japan.
Yeah, man. Oh, this is so dope.
I'm talking about rice fields, the gardens. You know, people get back to the roots. Get back to the roots. Get back to the earth. 2014. You know, we're taking high tech with, you know, agriculture. We're bringing, you know, back our farms and our gardens. We're going to rely on ourselves for our own food and loving one another. That's what our message, 3G, and our man here behind the camera, his show. Click together, crazy success.
Oh, look at this broom. It's like straight up Harry Potter. This broom, Hogwarts.
It's a nice broom. It
is. Let's go, legend. Let's ride the broom. No, I'm not gonna. Nah, I don't get in trouble. Oh, this is some serious stuff, man. Even allowed here? Exclusive pass. That's what happens when you meet good people. When you get good people, you know stuff. Yeah, brother, you ain't getting any better than this. This is exclusive PigglesDiGaijin footage, man. Subscribe. Oh, this place is amazing. Look at that.
I want to get into the guts, you know? We're in the temple. But, you know, we're going to spill into there, you know?
That's right, bro. Guys, this is amazing. I have to take off my glasses for this. This temple. It's really beautiful. Can you see it? Let me talk to Buddha real quick. I'm not even going to be loud. This is absolutely beautiful. You don't get any better than this, bro. It's where you pray and stuff, and tatami mats and stuff. I am humbled. I'm humbled, really. This is awesome. Okay, so this is Akira. Show. And this is Akira. These are brothers. Their father is the master of the temple.
Can you take our pictures?
So yeah, and he's always talking. And then these are the twins. Again, So that's Derek and Desmond. Which one's Derek?
この二人は
Which one's Derek? Which one's Derek? You guys don't know. Shh, no. Which one's Derek and which is Desmond? Vote 55 blah blah 80 whatever shit blah 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 blah. Yeah, really cool dudes. They're really cool. They're shooting movie 3G. So the first part is going to be free.
Okay,
the
so
second part
we're
is
gonna
going
take
to
our picture. You want to come in here?
No, I don't.
Please, no?
No, I'm black.
3, 2, 1.
Kachi ってなったかな。フリーズしちゃったかな。
Who's that sneezing and stuff?
しちゃったね。
Oh, hi, and this is a priest, a real priest. Hey, 名前ですか？名前？Miyoko. He's a real big stuff.
Video?
Video. Hi. Freddo.
ちょっと待って。あ、ありがとうございます。
ご飯食べに行って
はい、わかりました。はい、he wants us to eat.
みんなの分あるそうなんで。
はい、let's go. Let's roll.
場所わからないです。
はい、わかりました。すいません。